walking by a carrot.
Okay, Mai, what do you have today?
Hatchimals.
Yay, Hatchimals.
What's in it?
That's pretty cool. Awesome. Who is it?
A kangaroo. A kangaroo.
A kangaroo?
Uh-huh.
Let's see her. Can we turn her around so we can see her? She's cute.
Sweet eyes. I got these two.
Oh, that's cute. So the little kangaroo is in the nest.
It eats fish.
Oh, a little fish. So you got a kangaroo so far and a little fishy. How cute. Do you like them, Maya?
Favorite fish. Not different now. Not a mess. Right there. That's the one. I'll make this one. Giraffe.
She's special.
A giraffe.
She's a giraffe.
Uh-huh.
Uh-oh, she fell, Mai. She doesn't want to stay up.
That's tired.
Oh, she's tired? That's funny. It's too cute.
it out. Okay.
Who do you have?
If you win.
Oh, she's a little worm? Awesome.
This is a tie to it, and I use the sheet and eat it. There.
Okay, so these are the little surprises that Maya got. She got the little fishy Hatchimal, the little wormy, the little baby giraffe, and of course the most adorable little kangaroo. They are super, super, super cute. What do you guys think?
Thank you for watching.